Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Dell Vostro laptop no sound issue. Fix 1. Check physical connections and volume settings. For verifying connections, ensure that your speakers or headphones are properly connected to your computer. And if you are using any external audio devices, confirm that they are powered on and connected to the correct port. For adjusting volume, click on the speaker icon in the taskbar and ensure that the volume is turned up. Also, check if the audio is muted or not. And if it is muted, unmute the audio. 6.2. Set the correct audio output device. Navigate to the Start menu. From here, click on Settings icon. Under Settings, navigate to System menu. From here, click on Sound. Under the Output section, select the desired audio from the list to set it as the default output device. 6.3. Run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Go to the Start menu. From here, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, click on System, then go to Sound. From here, scroll down to see the Advanced section. From here, select Output Devices. Click on Troubleshooting Audio Problems in Windows 11 and follow the on-screen instruction to diagnose and fix audio issues. 6.4. Update the audio drivers. Right-click on the Start menu. From here, choose Device Manager. Under this section, expand the sound, video, and game controllers. From here, right-click on your device and click on Update Driver. Fix 5. Disable audio enhancements. Navigate to the Start menu. From here, click Settings. Then go to System. And from here, click on Sound. Scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. In the Sound window, select your audio device and click Properties. Go to the Enhancement tab and check the box labeled Disable All Enhancements. Click Apply and then OK. 6. Check audio services. Press Windows plus R and type services.msc. Click Enter. Now in the service window, locate the following services. Windows Audio. Windows Audio, Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, and Remote Procedure Call RPC, and ensure each service is running. Right-click on it and select Start. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such valuable content.